freaking stand up and welcome back to the channel, my loves. Here we go. Day number 6 is here and ready to rumble. 12 more trucks have rolled into the hauler. They're hungry. Somebody needs to defeat Daredevil. Undefeated right now in the Catbirds Seat, the Super King of the Hill continues on with a brand new rule change. We'll get to that momentarily. But guys and gals, squirms and germs, if you guys are brand new here to the channel, subscribe, ring that bell notification, become part of the Hawkeye Hauler Nation today. Here we have fun racing monster trucks and Hot Wheels. Don't forget, Hawkeye Hauler 2 is no longer around. We brought Hot Wheels back to this channel. Racing for Hot Wheels resumes momentarily. So I just asked that you guys I saw him. Where'd he go? I need to go get the cat to get the fly. But anywho, racing for Hot Wheels will resume as soon as possible. Just bear with me. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys, but just bear with me. Hot Wheels Racing is coming back to the main channel, back where it all started. And Hawkeye Hauler 2 is now the Pop Hauler. If you like Funkos, if you like collecting, if you guys like seeing hauls, that is definitely the channel to be. Hawkeye Hauler 2 is now the Pop Hauler. Just a couple more housekeeping notes. Guys, if you want to help support the channel, I highly encourage you to do so. It is linked down below for Patreon for $5 buckaroos a month. Help support the channel just like this, or stay here on YouTube, become a YouTube member, $2.99 a month. Soon there will be YouTube member only videos, only for YouTube members. So I highly suggest you support the channel that way, so you can see some videos that will not be seen by any other, any other YouTuber. But anywho, eBay store is up and live. Hundreds of listings on there. Highly recommend you do so. Mystery boxes full of Hot Wheels. We got NASCAR diecast. We got cars, from the Disney movie, cars diecast. Tons of stuff on my eBay store. Get them while they're hot. They are priced very, very cheap and very, very competitively. So again, you can support the channel that way. And one more thing, TikTok. Hawkeye Hauler is coming back and ready to hold a King of the Hill tournament over there. Kind of like a King of the Hill tournament. It's just gonna be drag racing. But anywho, let's go ahead, get into today's video. Day number 6 is coming up very, very soon. Get ready for the most famous words in diecast racing. Hawkeye Hauler Nation, if you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you guys so very much. This is the Super King of the Hill, a 48-day tournament with over 500 monster trucks. 500 BBTs, big, beautiful trucks. So, anywho, this is how we race them. We'll put them in 1s and 2, 5 and 6. We will drop the gates. They will drag race down the scale. Quarter-mile drag strip. That is over 18 feet of Hot Wheels track. First one to the finish line advances to the next round. Losing truck gets parked over there with the rest of them. Those guys are eliminated. Now, we will get to 3 trucks at the end. One of those trucks will advance to take on Daredevil in hopes of the Catbird Seat. So right now, Daredevil is the #1 contender for Invader's crown, but that can change at the end of every Super King of the Hill episode. That's it. Let's introduce our trucks. Let's race. Our 12 trucks in the hauler today: the Unimog, Supergirl, Pure Muscle, Piranha, Chevy Camaro. Oh yeah. The Nissan Skyline, Invader. Oh, could we see Invader versus Invader? I don't know. Motosaurus, the Dodge van, another Jeep. We just saw a couple Jeeps last episode. Cage Rattler with chain tires. Don't forget, he won a tournament. And then 2 School. We are rocking 3 camera setups. This camera right here, where you guys are getting super dizzy, that is the main camera. We got the finish line cam, and then the grandstand cam, which is bonus footage at the end of this video. So when I say goodbye to you guys at the end of this video, don't go anywhere, because you're not going to want to miss the bonus content, especially if trucks go, in there. But enough is enough. It is time to race. The first race kicking off day number 6 is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog and Supergirl. It is time for the most famous words in diecast racing. Unimog, Supergirl, you're going to kick off day number 6, so say it with me, Hawkeye Hauler Nation. Let's drop those gates. Down and away we go. It's going to be close. Oh, dang, Supergirl was right there with him. Just wasn't enough there at the end. We'll line up the losers right over here. We'll take the Mercedes-Benz Unimog, park them right there. Coming up next, you got Pure Muscle taking on Piranha. Pure Muscle and Piranha, here we go. Oh, Pure Muscle looking good. I don't know if Pure Muscle is looking good or if Piranha was just looking slow, but Pure Muscle will advance. We'll grab Piranha, who didn't stand a chance. American Muscle takes on a JDM powerhouse, the Camaro versus the Skyline. All right, Camaro, do not let me down, but if you do, at least you're losing to Brian O'Connor. Let's go. Here we go. Oh, too wide at the line. Oh man, I'll let that slide. The Camaro goes home, but Brian O'Connor in that Nissan Skyline advances. There we go. The Buster got it done. Here we go. It's time for Invader to take on Motosaurus. Invader and Motosaurus. Here we go. Whoa, Invader loses. Oh man, I did not see that coming. I thought this Invader would be tough, just like our current Monster Truck King, but he is not. He's eliminated. Motosaurus. Actually really surprised about that win. Good run. Here we go. This is the Dodge van taking on Hot Wheels Safari. The Dodge Ram van, Hot Wheels Safari, aka a Jeep. Let's go. Oh, good race. Good. Oh, there goes the van. Oh man, a massive wiggle from the van ends his day. He tried to follow the Jeep, and the Hot Wheels Safari Jeep will advance. Good job. One final showdown for this first round brings us to Cage Rattler, who's wearing chain tires, taking on Two School. One final truck will advance to the next round. Here we go. Oh! I tell you what, Hawkeye Holler Nation, this Cage Rattler with the chain wheels, they seem to be really, really fast. They are a tough contender to school. Back to school. There you go. 6 trucks remain. We will get our final 3, then we will head into the round robin tournament. Kicking us off for the second round will be the Mercedes-Benz Unimog in Pure Muscle. 1 truck advances, 1 truck goes home. Disappointed. Let's go. Oh, Pure Muscle. Oh, the Unimog had a huge lead, then and then a big wiggle caused him to lose that race. Pure muscle. I don't think he was the fastest truck, but he was there where it mattered. Here we go, race number 2, the second round. Nissan Skyline taking on Motosaurus. Again, one truck advances, one truck will go home. Here we go. Oh, good race. The Buster goes home. That was a close finish. Skyline eliminated. Motosaurus advancing. There we go. Scooch over. One final truck will advance will be Hot Wheels Safari or Cage Rattler. Hot Wheels Safari, Cage Rattler with the chain wheels. Here we go. Ooh. You guys know how the rule works. If you don't, Cage Rattler did trigger the gate, but in order to have a clean victory, he needs to be past these gray pylons. That is the threshold. We will go right up here, and guys, look how close it is. By the little hair of that chain wheel, Cage Rattler is advancing. Lucky, very, very lucky. Hot Wheels Safari is eliminated. Welcome to the final 3. One of these trucks will take on Daredevil for the Catbirds Seat. So how this shapes up, it will be Pure Muscle taking on Motosaurus. The losing truck will take on Cage Rattler. Once you lose 2 races, you're eliminated. So here we go, kicking off the round robin part of this tournament. Pure Muscle takes on Motosaurus. Once again, remember, the losing truck will take on Cage Rattler. Let's go. Pure Muscle is safe for right now. So now it will be Motosaurus taking on Cage Rattler. Here we go, Motosaurus and Cage Rattler. If Motosaurus loses, they're gone. If Motosaurus wins, Cage Rattler will then take on Pure Muscle. Here we go. Nice. And just like that, Motosaurus is out of here. 2 losses in a row sends him home. Now it's Cage Rattler and Pure Muscle. Again, none of these trucks have lost, so first truck to win 2. There is no backbreaker in this round. Here we go. We will switch lanes after each race. It's Cage Rattler and Pure Muscle. One of them gets a shot at Daredevil. Okie dokie, artichoke. Here we go. Guys, Cage Rattler is deadly fast. Cage Rattler will strike first. Get it? Because he's a snake. Strike. Strike. Let's switch lanes and do it again. The lanes are switched. Pure Muscle is now down by 1. Cage Rattler has this in the bag if he doesn't mess up. Pure Muscle on the verge of going home. Can he keep Cage Rattler at bay? Let's go. Oh, close, but not enough. It was not enough to stop Cage Rattler. Pure Muscle is eliminated from competition. Cage Rattler. In all my years of doing this, racing many different types of trucks with many different types of treads, usually the chain tires do not fare like this, but this truck is just incredibly well crafted. So it will be Cage Rattler looking to take that Catbird Seat from Daredevil. So this is how the Catbird Seat round will shape up. This is a best of 3. First truck to win 2. If we go into a third and final race, we will do it Hawkeye Holler style. It will be a backbreaker. Daredevil right now in control. The contender is Cage Rattler. Daredevil looking to make it 5 in a row for defending that Catbird Seat. Let's see what happens. Here we go. Oh man. Too wide at the line in favor of Daredevil. He's hungry, guys. He is starving at this point. Let's switch lanes and do it again. Let's see if Cage Rattler can rally a comeback against Daredevil. Will we head into a third and final race, or is it all said and done right here? Let's go. It's over. Daredevil is tough. Oh man, just when I thought we were going to have a strong contender for Daredevil, Cage Rattler goes 2 and out in the loss column. Daredevil, 5 in a row for defending that Catbird Seat. Will he still be on top in day number 7? Well, we're going to have to tune in to find out. Let's wrap day number 6. Oh, Hawkeye Holler Nation, what another fun day here on the Super King of the Hill tournament. Still in control and in the Catbird Seat to take on the current Monster Truck King is Daredevil. Will he still be there, throughout the duration of this season? Well, this tournament, I should say. Again, 5 races undefeated for that Catbird Seat. But that's going to do it, Hawkeye Holler Nation. If you guys could, do all the good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Definitely make sure you're part of the Hawkeye Holler Nation today, and make sure you like this video if you enjoyed it. It helps your boy out with the YouTube algorithm. It's free to do so, and it goes for a good cause. If you guys want to help support the channel, remember, you guys can find my Patreon. It is $5 a month. Help support the channel, or stay here on YouTube. Become a YouTube member, $2.99 a month. Now remember, I'm going to be having YouTube member-only videos here very soon. $2.99 a month gets you access to those videos that nobody else will see. Also, eBay, link down below. Pick yourself up some Hot Wheels diecast, NASCAR, Disney cars, so much good stuff down below. TikTok videos start very, very soon, so if you guys like watching TikTok, find me over there as well. You guys can find me on Instagram. And with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day. I love you guys so very much. You guys are truly amazing. The Hawkeye Holler Nation rules, baby. It rules. I will see you back here at the Holler for another video. Day number 7 is looming. Peace, love, and diecast racing. I will see you guys later. Bye-bye. Kick off day number 6, so say it with me, Hawkeye Holler Nation. Let's drop those gates. Go. Oh, you're not there. Let's go. Go. Leader loses. Let's go. Ooh. Let's go. Here, muscle. We go. Good race. Here we go. Ooh. Let's go. Here we go. Nice. Go. Guys, Cage Rattler is deadly. Let's go. Let's go.